A pleasant morning to everyone present here. I am Mukul R of grade 12 studying in Vidyaniketan Public School, Coimbatore. The record I have set here is that I am the youngest person to have made the Quintuple Ground Control Station. The Quintuple Ground Control Station is capable of controlling 5 devices such as drones, UAVs, nanosatellites, rovers and simulators simultaneously. There are ground control stations existing in the market, but they are only capable of controlling only one device at a time, and they are being imported into India. But our project is completely unique. It's completely assembled and manufactured in India, and it is also capable of controlling more than one device at a time. And this project completely satisfies all the measures of the Atmanirbhar and the Make in India initiative. I am trying to apply a patent for this project, and my aim is to incubate and provide this project to the Defense Forces of India so that they can use it in the borders of our country to save us. This would be really useful for them. They can control their drones, UAVs, and nano satellites from the borders. They need not travel back to the ground control station at the neighboring city. This is like a small suitcase which can be carried with us. I am trying to apply a patent for this project. And apart from this, I have applied for 2 more patents, and I have made more than 50 projects in the field of robotics. This all started during the COVID time. I had a lot of aim to do these kind of projects, but I didn't have the proper time and resources. During COVID, I had many proper time, and there was a lot of abundant resources. E-commerce websites were open, so I used to order kits, I used to learn from internet, and I started all this. So yes, and I am trying for the Pradhan Mantri Rashtriya Bal Puraskar Award. And Jai Hind.
Let's go straight and ask our talented young man that how did he achieve all the records and what kind of records and what he did. Let's go. Hi.
Hello, ma'am.
Your good name?
Mukul.
Mukul, what inspired you to pursue a project on Quintuple Ground Control Station at such a young age?
I'm actually, right from my childhood, I had been into robotics and these kind of projects. But my aim was always to, make a project, incubate it, and give it to the Defense Forces of India. So I thought the one that we are lacking is a ground control station. And ground control stations are not made in India. It's been completely imported into India. And the ground control stations existing are only capable of controlling only one device at a time. But I have made a ground control station which is capable of controlling 5 devices at a time and is completely manufactured and assembled in India. It satisfies all the measures of the Atmanirbhar and the Make in India initiatives.
Mukul, what were some challenges you faced? Can you walk us through that?
Yes, the main challenges that I faced was many of the products or controllers were not available in India. They had to be imported, but I made sure that I manufactured all of them, we outsourced it, and we created it.
How did you feel to presenting your project at national level?
Yeah, it was a really nervous moment, but I had made it. I presented this in the national level paper and poster presentation competition and had won the Junior Scientist Award for it. But I think the main aim of the project is not yet completed. I have not yet incubated it, and I have not yet given it to the Defense Forces of India.
What are any memorable moment you want to share?
Any memorable? Okay. I've been trying for Pradhan Mantri Rashtriya Bal Puraskar Award, so I think that will be a memorable moment for me.
Winning a Junior Scientist Award at age of 15 is quite like wow, of course, but how do you plan to build on this success?
I just don't want to make a commercial or a business out of it, but I want to do all of this for our Indian Army, DRDO, and such defense sectors of our India. I think that's what success means here.
Very nice. What advice would you give to other young, inspiring scientists or engineers who are interested in pursuing similar projects?
I don't think I've achieved that much to, give points, but yeah, we should face our hardships and we should come out.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.